This is how you're going to track an order on eBay for any carrier. First, log into your eBay account and go to My eBay at the top right corner of your screen. Just hover over My eBay and then click on Purchase History. Now find the order that you want to track. So if you have any orders right here, it's going to show up like this. Now you're going to track, or you're going to find the order that you want to track and then click on Track Package, or just click on the tracking number, and then eBay will show you the tracking updates provided by the seller, which will appear like a window like this. Now, if the package uses USPS, UPS, FedEx, DHL, or any other supported carrier, the updates will display automatically. But if the tracking doesn't show up, you're going to have to copy the tracking number and paste it directly on the carrier's website for more details. Like for example, it uses the carrier DHL. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this tracking number to the DHL's tracking website, and it will display there automatically. Now, this way you can see exactly where your order is and estimated delivery date. And that's it. That is how you're going to track an order on eBay for any carrier. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.